Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to learn how to count the words we have typed in WordPress. I wanted also to look for a plugin to see how many words I've written already. But now I only find out that WordPress has that functionality before, also without putting a plugin. So now we're going to go to a website called, first of all we're going to go to a website called googleboy.co.za. That's the website where I want us to count words there. So yeah, what you're gonna do, you're gonna click on one of your posts. I can click on this post, and once I click on that post, the website is a little bit slow, but don't worry about that. Why do you want to count your words all the time? There's many reasons why you should count your words, and because people who write good articles, they will tell you that some words do well in Google search and also Google ranking. So writing many words can help you to rank well in Google, and also your story should be a little bit good and flowing in a natural way. So now here, this is one of the articles which were written, and we want to see how many words were written here. So what we're gonna do, we're going to find an edit here. We edit. So once we try to edit the words and the article itself, we want to see how many words we've put here. This is an autosave and stuff. Okay, leave that. After that, you can scroll down if you have the plugin called Yoast. If you click on Yoast, it's gonna then you click on analytics, SEO analytics. It's gonna show you here. It says here, if you have to, I'm not saying it's necessarily you must write, you must get the words, your words to be, you have to put in the plugin called Yoast. No, remember the first time I told you we don't need a plugin, but now since we have a plugin, this is one of the ways I'm going to show you. But anyway, here, if you exceed 300 words, you're not going to see that feature anymore. So we're going to try that and see. So whenever you open Yoast and find that you don't have anything like that, anything like word count here in Yoast, simply means you passed the 300 mark. You can see even here it says it's minimum. The minimum.
The second way is to select.
I'm sorry about that. It says this is slightly below the recommended minimum of 300 words. So you can see that it's just recommend you to write at least 300 words. So here, if we can look for 20 words only, so it simply means we're not going to see this anymore. So let me look for 20 words and write. If we don't see this, then how are we going to know how many words we have if Yoast can't show us beyond 300 words? So let's try to see the topic. What it says, maybe Kama is also said that before watching the video. If he did watch it before the talk, I believe, I would say before the comments, before his comments, before his comments, I believe there was going to be a different view. Okay, we see that. Do you think? Okay, no, leave that. We're gonna find something like 20 words, then we show you that Yoast cannot work after 300 words. Okay, then we say this is also encouraged by people in the football world, football arena, and it's a world to practice the culture of protecting your fellow what should I use here, of protecting your colleagues, or of protecting your, I would say something, I'm gonna find a better word for that so that we're gonna get it right. I think we're gonna use I'll say protecting your fellows. I think your fellow footballers, Okay. Okay, let's see if these 200, 300 words can come here. If it's 300 words, you see only one word remained, 99. So fellow footballers, protecting your footballers image. Okay, once we put that, we're going to update. Even if you don't update, it uses JavaScript, it doesn't matter. You can see that on Yoast we can't see that anymore, so we cannot see how many words we have, but I'm sure we have 300. So I'm gonna go to a place called, okay, I'm gonna save this, and I'm gonna take you somewhere else where I know I have more than 1,000 words in that article, no more than 500. I'm gonna go to my Google and search one of the articles I love, and you can see this say to Benefaka, okay, and there were some problems here. You can see that's great. No, they see to Benefaka. I think they made some mistake here. I'll leave that article. We're going to go to another here, and get that right. After getting that right, we're gonna go and edit here. After the editing, okay, so how do you do that? So if you select here, you have to look here, you can't see anything, but when you scroll down and try to select this guy, and this guy, two of them, you can see it's here, 2 blocks, 11 words. So but now it's a little bit challenging to select everything, whereby I managed to do it, but control, just press your mouse down and scroll it down, and you can see 400 and something words. But sometimes it happens like it's difficult to select them. What you do, you click here, and after there you press shift and the down arrow key and go down. When you reach down, it's gonna stop, and it will show you that you saw it had something like, let me go back, it shows the words we had here. Okay, shift and down arrow. Okay, okay. I wonder why it doesn't show, but it's in the first place it showed you. So it displayed how many words we had here, but no problem. I'm gonna do the same. Get this, then we'll go down here, down on the words here. It doesn't show me, but it's okay anyway. What we're gonna do, we're gonna go back. Maybe something went wrong. We'll go to Google, and they wanna get this. Set PSL, say enter, and this is the website we're looking for. Then we going to edit here, and guys, don't worry, because we're about to finish our video. Just before even 1 minute, I'm gonna be done with that. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so what you do, you got to select here, select and go down. You can see the more I go down, the more it shows me the words, the more it shows me how many blocks, and I want to select everything. Yeah, after that block, and I went somewhere further and it disappeared. Stop there. Yeah, then you can look here on your right hand side. It shows 630 words. Yeah, that's pretty good. So guys, that's the way you do word count in WordPress live. And please don't forget to subscribe, and you don't need a plugin anyway to do that. Those who depend on Yoast, you can see that Yoast, after 300 words, you can't see unless if there's some ways, I don't know. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.